Alphabot just launched season 1 of Boost. Here's everything you need to know to qualify for a juicy airdrop. Now look, down below there are chapters so you can fast forward to the sections that you want to help you navigate the video easier. Also, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before moving in on the crypto and Web3 space. Now, a bit of a background on Alphabot. I've been a big fan of Alphabot from day one. You can see this post here when they kind of announced that they were going to move to a paid model. I was there in support of it. I love it. And if you haven't used it, they do a lot of raffles and giveaways in servers. I've got Alphabot in my server. A lot of servers have it. It's just a really good way to engage the community, to get comments, likes, retweets, all of that stuff for a page and reward the community that actually engages with them. So that is an overview of what Alphabot is. Now Boost, let's get into it. Head to the X account for Boost and click on boost.gg season 1. This is the page that you'll land on. Click get started now. Now you will need to sign in. I use Discord because this is how it connects, but you can use MetaMask or other things if you want. My Discord's just connected to my Alphabot. Now here's where you'll be able to add a wallet and your X account and link it all up. Mine's already pre-filled here because I have an Alphabot account. If you don't have one, you'll have to go through this and set up your account. And then down here, there is a referral code. You can use my one if you want. You don't need to, but you'll get some points, I'll get some points, and we all win. Now, when you hit the dashboard, you can see up here how many points you have. Now, it starts off a very much social fi aspect. So what you can do is connect your account. So if you connect your wallets, your X account, Discord account, you're gonna get 100 points. And simple things like following the X account gets you more points. Now, I'm not gonna run through all of these, but it's a bunch of liking, commenting, following, all of that kind of stuff for points. But here's where it gets fun. Up in the top right, you can see daily spin. What you get to do is you get to spin a wheel and get some points. So let's give this a go, give it a spin. And 2,000 points, as easy as that. So log in daily and then you'll be able to get some easy points. And the thing is, if you're already an Alphabot user, so you're in Discord that use it, this is a no-brainer, just sign up, because even if you just participate in raffles, you're going to get more and more points. Now, if you have been using the platform for the past year or two, you will then be able to have a bunch of points. I don't have as many points because I have a server and I actually pay for the subscription myself. But those of you that are Discord warriors that are in the trenches entering a lot of giveaways, you're gonna have thousands and thousands of points waiting for you. And then obviously with every social farming aspect, as long as you are engaging, creating content on platforms like X, you're then going to get more points. And that's what this video is kind of about. It's about putting out some content, supporting Alphabot because I like what they do. I pay for their service, I use it, I think it's great, but then also getting some points, referral codes, all of that kind of stuff, and just adding to the ecosystem to just hopefully get a juicy airdrop. Now, what do I think Boost will do? How do I think it will work? And why am I making this video? Why do I like it? Well, with Alphabot, they actually have a business model that the space was yearning for. What we needed in the space was an easy way to do raffles, do giveaways, do community engagement. And they've actually got two different sort of streams of revenue. They've got one stream coming from the team members, people that own the groups, own the communities that want to run raffles easier within their Discord service. But then you also have the premium section of it, which then gives people access to raffles if they're not in those channels, Discord, servers, whatever, doesn't matter, but they can still enter into raffles and it makes it a little bit easier, enter in with more points, and that's a premium subscription. So they're actually generating revenue from what they're doing. So for Boost as a whole and Alphabot as a whole, it's a business model that actually works. It's something that has product market fit. It's something that the space needs, hence why this makes more sense. Where do I think the token goes? What do I think the points go into? It's all speculation. You can see right here, there's gonna be point multipliers soon enough. They know exactly how to social-fi the system because this is what they've been doing for other communities, other NFT projects, just everything as a whole, and they're almost turning it back onto themselves. So I think that's very interesting. So look, this did start less than 24 hours ago, so jump in there and just do it. You don't need, and this is what I love about it, you don't need to go through and spam the timeline like we saw with Portal Coin, like we saw with a bunch of these other coins. Just by using Alphabot, which most people are used to get daily, you're going to then get points, which just adds into it. You're just being rewarded for doing what you're already doing, which helps out, and then hopefully that leads to a juicy airdrop down the line. Now, I do need to say a big thank you to Alphabot for partnering with me to make this video, giving me the information, giving me all the deets so I could position this piece of content in the best way for you to consume it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go down there, share some love, use that referral code. Thank you very much. You'll win some points. But yeah, I had a pleasure making this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.